We know that a pure purpose drives your dreams. And your dreams inspire many passions. We are as excited as you. In the age of Industry 4.0, Taiwan's smart machinery team is working hard behind the scenes. When you are challenging yourself, we are your strong backing. Every small part plays an equally vital role in making your imagination become a reality. Taiwan's smart machinery team keeps on trying, learning, and improving. Because we are proud to be your partners. Skill and artistry matter, bonding with the heart and soul while never forgetting our true intention. We facilitate tailor-made factory integration for you. We also insist on sustainable development, living in harmony with the earth. We are Taiwan, and we have your back. Drive your dreams with Taiwan Smart Machinery.